Hi friends, uh, today the topic is Python variables. In these Python variables there are various types of headlines. One is variables, creating variables, castings, get the type, single or double quotes, case sensitive. Okay. These are the subtopics belongs to Python variables. First, variables. Variables are the definition of variables are that is the variables are containers for storing data values. That is here. That is means containers for storing data values. So this one is actual variables. Next. Second one is here creating variables. How can you create the variables? In this Python has no command for declaring a variable. That is very important here. Python has no command for declaring a variable. That means a variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. For example, here x is equal to 5 and y is equal to, that is actual like this you can take. So here in x variable we are sending some data, in y variable we are sending some text. That's why we are using this double colons or single quotation. Now I have to print x. Okay. And you have to print y. Okay. Based on this, here after that you are getting that result for this print x value is 5. For this print y result will be this. You are getting this type of response. So once again I am going to this. Here Python has no command for declaring a variable. Okay. Next one is your variables do not need to be declared with any particular type and can even change type after they have been set. For example, here. Okay. So in this concept is here variables do not need to be declared. For example, this is actual example 1 and for this example 2. For example, if you take x is equal to 100, similarly you can take x is equal to, in single quotation or double quotation you are writing this type of text. Then after that if you write that print of x, then result will be is quotation. That is actual result. Why? Because in earlier variable we are sending 100. Next, the same variable we are sending the text. But finally we are calling x. That's why here right now that final x value is this. That's why you will get this data. The same concept here, x value is integer. This type is integer. Here x value is, that is string. But whatever it may be, if the type may be different, but final in the x variable string data is moved. That's why finally you are having, if you use the print x, you will get this type of result. Next one is, this is the actual cast. Okay. Here if you want to specify the data type of a variable, this can be done with casting. For example, this is the example for this. This one is casting. That is here x is equal to string of. We are applying that numerical value, that is actual integer. So in this concept, you will be get that that is the comment for this expression is you will get the result is x will be is here actual this one is the integer, but in integer converted into string, so finally you are getting that value is string. So the number can be represented in string, either double quotation or single quotation. Okay, next similarly if you take that another one is y is equal to integer of 3. Here actual number 3 is integer, that is converted into same manner, so finally x will be 3 without this value. Simply you can take the third instruction is z is equal to float of 3. Then you are getting that response is x will be 3.0. Okay. What is the final conclusion of this example? We are taking that integer value, here input is integer, that is converted into string form. That's why after that result will be in single quotation. You are taking that integer value that is also converted in same manner. That's why you are having the number is 3. Here that input number is 3. You have to convert in terms of floating, that is in terms of fraction values, that is 3.0. Next fourth one is get the type. How can you get the type? You can get the data type of a variable with the type of, it can be, you have to represent that type of some parenthesis, that is the function. So for example, if you take that value is x is equal to 5, y is equal to, you are taking some string, that is the response. Okay, now I have to get the type, which type is it. For example, I have to get the x, that's why you can represent here print, you can represent type of x. Okay, here x value is 5. You have to get the data, get the type, which type is it, x value is 5, so result will be automatically you will be get the result is, result value is, it can be represented as class in terms of that integer. You are getting this type of result. Similarly, now I have to get type, that is type y, okay, where y is string, actual input is string. Now Python variables are implemented in PyCharm ideally. So first of all is a variable or containers for storing data values. So simply we are considering this here, x is equal to 50 and y is equal to, maybe in terms of that value is Kotesh Academy, then you can write the print of this, print of x and print of y. So this is actual defining of that creating variables. Here in the x variable we are considering integer, in y variable string. Then you can write the instructions. So no need to go to that every time run the process of this device. So simply within the line you can check. So simply you can take right click and debug main, then you can press F8. You are getting here x is equal to 50. Then after pressing F8, then y is equal to Kotesh Academy. Then print x, that print x value default will be get in result, that is x is equal to 50 and y is equal to this. Okay, like that you can check the what process we are going to that. Before print instruction you are able to see. So this is the concept of creating variable. Okay, next sometimes you may prefer that another example is if you take both are same variables, here x is equal to 50 and simply we are considering this x is equal to Kotesh Academy, like that you are. So simply we are writing that print x. So what is the process we are going to that? Before that, here x is equal to 50. That is the integer stored in the particular variable. Next, string values is going to store in the same variable. So at this moment, which one having the last stored variable, that variable will be displayed in this print. So simply once again we are going to that debug of main and press F8. Here x is equal to 50, and then next value is automatically x value is Kotesh Academy. There is no doubt about it. Why? Because recently we added that x value. So here 50 is replaced by Kotesh Academy, then you will be get print. Otherwise you can write click on run main button, and the result you will be get that value is Kotesh Academy. So this is the one more example for this creating variable. Next one is casting. So that is, if you want to specify the data type of a variable, this can be done with casting. So simply what variable is it? Is it integer? Is it a character? Like that you have to take. So simply if you take here x is equal to 50. Okay. Now I would like to, so I am taking that integer, I would like to convert it into string. So that's why I am representing this str of 50. Then only you will get that x value is default, that value is in terms of string you are able to see like that. Okay. Next you are taking that y is equal to integer of 50. Actual the input data is 50 and we are also converting in 50 value. Next z is equal to floating of 50. So what is the difference between this? Here that all inputs are integers, but here x value can be converted into string. Here y value can be converted into integer. Here 50 value is converted into this. Then you can check the result, this, and right click, debug main, and press F8. Here x is equal to 50. How can you say this is a 50 in string? Means always the string values are represented in terms of single quotation or double quotation. Single or double quotation. Here x value is string. Okay. Next one is press F8 for y. Then y is equal to 50. There is no single quotation or 50.0 like that. So this is called as integer. Integer of like this. Next press F8. You will be get floating this. That value is 50.5. So simply we are writing that run main. You are able to see simply what type of data we are getting. Simply print of print of x, print of y, print of z. Then run the button, run the process. Then you are getting that 50. So this is actually in terms of string you are representing this. That's why I am representing this. So otherwise you can take that type also. For example, which type you are getting? that type of x. Then you can take this value is type of y. Next one is type of z. At this moment you are able to see what process we are going to do. Is the run main. At the end, the first one is class of string value. Second one is integer. Third one is floating. Like that you can design the casting of the particular variables. Okay. Next one is get the type. Which type of class we are? This is actually get the type is whenever you are having type, that is the get. I mean, is it integer, is it floating, or like that you can represent this. So sometimes for integers, that is called as single or double quotes. So simply you are taking that here x is equal to that in single quotation. In single quotation, I am taking that Hyderabad. Okay. Then you can take y is equal to in double quotation. In double quotation, I am taking that Kotesh Academy. Like that. Then I am writing that print of x. Next one is print of y. After run the process, you are able to see that the first one is Hyderabad, next one is Kotesh Academy. Both are acceptable by either single quotation or double quotation. Otherwise, you may represent the get the type, that is the type of x. Next one is type of y. Then you can run the process, that is the run main. Then you are able to see that both are in strings, so both are acceptable. That is the concept of a single or double quotes. And simply that case sensitivity. What is meant by case sensitivity means sometimes pronunciation may be same, but representation of that variable is different. For example, here small x is equal to Hyderabad and capital X is equal to Kotesh Academy. At this moment, if you write that, both are not same. For example, if you take that, the first one is the print type of x, or simply you can take without type. You are considering this print x means we are calling only small x. After execution of this instruction, you will get only Hyderabad in the result. Two parentheses. Then you can execute the process. Then go run the process. You will get only Hyderabad. Whenever you are having that capital X, then it takes Kotesh Academy. That is actual run main process. Then you will get this. So that is the concept of Python variables. This is the actual process. Thank you.